It's January, meaning it is vegan January. So I've got a recipe for you guys. Keep watching. When veganuary gets a little bit more difficult towards the end, you want to make sure you have food that tastes extra good. So I'm going to show you how to make this delicious vegan curry. Cool, so we're going to prep our vegetables. We're going to need cauliflower. You can ignore the broccoli if you want. We also need some sweet potatoes, carrots, and white potatoes. And we're just going to peel all the first layers off. So get that all peeled off, use some parchment paper and put it in a bin. Then we're going to chop it into evenly sized pieces. It's also important that you have a good sharp knife for this, because I don't know why I'm struggling to cut a simple sweet potato. But oh well, make sure you buy some good knives or sharpen your old ones. One day I'll learn. If any of you have good knife recommendations, I would really appreciate it, because I want to get a really good one. I want to make sure it's the best quality, so in the comments below, pop down your suggestions. Forget about the broccoli and cut these cauliflower pieces into something a bit more bite-sized. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the rest of our vegetables into the bowl, and now we are ready to season. So now you're going to season with 2 tablespoons of curry powder of whatever you like, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger powder, you can also use fresh, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon dried parsley, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon paprika, and 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Your cauliflower should look like chicken after you've seasoned it. That's right, proper. Then you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot. And then you're going to add chopped garlic and onion into the pot and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next part is very important, so listen carefully. We are going to burn our curry powder. We're going to add a little bit of curry powder into our onions and garlic, and we're going to burn it. That doesn't mean we're going to turn it into a crisp and everything go black. No, we're going to make sure that that curry powder releases all the flavors of the garlic and the onion and the curry powder itself. And then you're going to add in your vegetables. So I'm going to add a little bit of water just so I don't burn the vegetables too much. And then I'm just going to mix it around so that everything can break down well. Then I'm going to go ahead with my coconut milk. I use light coconut milk because we're trying to be healthy out here, okay? And then just mix it, make sure everything is combined. And we're going to leave it alone for about 20 minutes to simmer. Now we're just going to season for our liking, and I'm going to do a garlic and thyme stock, which is quite salty, so I went with a little bit. And then I also use an all-purpose seasoning. Yes, it is vegan. Then we're going to just mix it and combine, and then I'm going to go ahead with some dried thyme and also some sea salt. So remember to taste your food. Leave it alone for another 5 minutes, and then you are done. I also decided to pair this with some white basmati rice. You can pick whatever rice of your choosing. And then I went ahead and wanted to make it look all fancy. So I put it in a little bowl, and then I put it in a bigger bowl. But it looks fancy, right? And now it is time to serve this beautiful, delicious cauliflower and sweet potato curry. The best thing about a meal like this is that you can easily store them in containers and leave them in the fridge for up to 1 week. And then you can also freeze them for up to 1 month. So you'll always have something to eat as long as you make enough portions. So enjoy veganuary, guys, and have a wonderful year.